Hello guys and welcome back to yet another episode on Maxi Made channel, a channel in which we feature the best and the latest clips when it comes to all sorts of road encounters. This time, we prepared an epic episode full of crazy encounters as well for you guys. But before we start with today's episode, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest content. With that out of the way, we can now focus on the episode. Sit back and enjoy.
Alright, what's up you guys? Back with another video. Today, we are going to pay people not to text and drive. If that's even possible.
This biker came up with an interesting concept of raising the awareness of drivers who usually do text and drive. He went out asking random people if they text and drive, and if they respond with a no, he rewarded them with some money. Check out how this cool project turned out to be.
Oh, I got a question for you.
What's that?
Do you have a car?
No.
You don't?
No.
Perfect, so you get some money, right?
Huh?
You get money for not texting and driving.
Do I?
Yeah.
How do I do that?
Do you need some money? You don't text and drive, right?
That's right.
Okay, here. How much is a beer?
I don't know. I'm in the bar forever. Well, I mean, I don't know what this is all about, but hey.
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
You don't text and drive.
Okay, thank you.
That's all I'm looking for.
All right.
Cool.
Okay, right.
I got a question.
Yeah.
You want to take part in my motorcycle survey?
Sure.
Do you text and drive?
On the street? Like on my bike or on my...
No, in your car.
In my car? Sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yeah.
You not do it for 1 week. You win a prize.
I could not do it for a week, yeah.
For a week.
Yeah, I could not do it.
Okay.
Want a Supreme burrito?
Here, take some money. There you go.
Okay.
That's your prize, dude.
Dude, thanks.
Cool?
Cool. Thanks, dude.
Look up Action Factory on Instagram.
Okay, yeah.
I'm going to ask you guys a question. Okay? When you already got your permit. Are you going to text and drive?
No.
Are you?
No.
Are you?
No.
Okay, I'm a cop. I'm just kidding, I'm not a cop. Here, that'll get you some McChickens.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Wait, how much did I give you?
4.
$4?
Yeah.
There, take that.
Thank you.
Take that.
Thank you.
Some for you, some for you, some for you.
Alright, thanks.
Cool? People are gonna think we're like a drug dealer or something. Huh? Do you text and drive?
Yes,
You do?
sometimes.
Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. You'll win the prize if you don't text and drive for 1 week. 1 week.
1 week.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
Not texting and driving.
That's easy. Yeah.
That's easy?
Yeah.
Okay. So, 1 week, no texting and driving.
Okay.
Deal?
Deal.
Okay. For all of you, you guys split this up. Go get like Starbucks or something.
What? Okay. Wait. Are you for real?
Yeah.
No, he's not. Wait. What?
There you go. That's it. Cool? So don't run over a motorcyclist.
Okay.
Thumbs up? Okay. Go get a coffee.
All right.
Okay, see you guys.
¿Lo vamos a meter aquí en el cajón? Ahí está bien, viejo. Gracias. De nada.
Biker had a funny encounter with a police officer. He was on his grom riding on the sidewalk, and the cop told him to walk his bike home or he's gonna tow it.
Here's a cop, here's a cop. Ready? What's that? Okay. My bad. Okay. My bad. Take it home or I'm gonna throw it for 3 days. Okay, I'll walk it home.
Alright, so we got some stuff here. These are for me.
It doesn't take much to help someone in need. We can see it in this clip. Small things make the world go round after all.
How's it going, guys?
Could be better, man.
Yeah?
Bike. I like the bike.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Hey, I got a couple things for you guys if you want them. Don't have a lot, but I figured maybe
Oh yeah, that will help.
you guys fight over who wants the blue, who wants the red.
Yeah, I like the bike.
Thank you so much. And I didn't know if you guys needed a blanket or not. I got one, and I got some granola bars for you guys too.
Great. Thank you. Yeah,
That work for you?
Yeah, we do select that.
All right.
He needs a blanket.
Awesome.
He's got a sleep bag. Mine got stole. Yeah, he's got stole.
So you're good then with the
Yeah.
blanket?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. All right. All right.
My
Yeah.
name's Billy.
Billy, I'm Scott. Thank you, sir.
Randy.
Randy, Scott. You guys be safe, all right? Yeah, take care of yourselves, all right?
This biker rode out on a beautiful day to give us a cool motovlog, but mid-ride, Vedder decided to ruin his vlogging adventure, so he had to take shelter from the rain at the gas station. This was like a blessing in disguise, because he met a girl there and they kicked it off pretty well. Check it out.
Like about to slow down. Yeah. How you doing? You alright?
How are you?
Oh, I'm alright. You look like you need some help.
If you want to pump my gas, you can pump my gas.
You know it. I got you. You ain't got no man in here to do that.
No.
Say look, I got you. What are we?
Stephanie, what's yours?
Stephanie? I'm Swizz.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you
Oh,
too.
you're going to pump it for real?
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
Yeah, this me right here.
Thank you.
No problem. Hold on, I got another one. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, for sure.
This is you for real.
Yeah, that's me for real. I don't know what you put in here, 87, 89, 90?
There you go.
Okay, for sure.
I like your bike.
Oh yeah, appreciate
We
it.
match.
Yeah, exactly. That mean it meant to be, huh? You like bikes?
I do.
Yeah? You ever been on one?
Been on one.
You said you never went on one? For real?
Kind of
Nah.
scared.
What you scared of? What you scared of?
Dying.
Nah, come on, nah.
Crashing.
Nah, man, I got you. If you ever want to go on the ride, you know what I'm saying, just hit me.
You take me one day?
I'll take you.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know how
You're
much
nice
you trying
enough to pump my gas.
For sure, you know that. Nice little gentleman. How much you want to put in here? You know what I'm saying?
Keep going.
Just keep going. Oh, okay. Not bad. Keep going. But yeah, so where you from?
New York, but I live here now.
Oh yeah? Okay. New
Are
York.
you from here?
Huh?
You from here?
Born and raised. You can't tell? Little boy.
You can put 15 in it.
15?
Yeah.
I got you.
I live right down the street.
Oh, you stay up there? Oh. Yeah, you see all this rain and I don't know how I'm gonna make it home.
Yeah, how you gonna drive in that?
I don't know. I was really just chilling, and then you pulled up. It's like it was perfect timing for real. That's crazy.
Well, thank you for
All right, so
pumping my
look,
gas.
let's make a bet. If I hit it on 15 on the head, you give me your number.
Okay.
All right. Hey, oh yeah, this easy. Oh yeah, this easy. Hey. Stop playing, man. Unless it start raining. All right. There you go. My name's Swizz. SWIZZ.
All right.
For
It was
sure.
nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. All right,
Drive safe.
Stephanie. You too.
Biker was doing wheelies in an empty parking lot, and unfortunately for him, a cop saw it and immediately pulled the biker over. Check out how this encounter unfolded.
How you doing, man? We're just trying not to do it in the street, you know? Yeah, absolutely. It's not inspected. We just usually put it in the trucks and bring it here and mess around for a bit and... Yeah. I know. We usually just bring it here in the truck, and I've been coming here maybe like 3 weeks now, and I haven't had any issues. I'm not trying to cause any issues, you know. We always clean up after ourselves and stuff. No, you know, it's just, like I said, it's crazy to find a parking lot. It's hard to actually find one, you know.
It's pretty abandoned.
Yeah, and those guys, they were watching the other day, and if someone tells me, hey, look, man, we don't want you here, I'm gone. I'll never come back, you know.
If you're on the street, make sure you put the thing down.
Absolutely, yeah. Hey, man, thank you a lot. Have a good one.
Who says that police officers can get a ticket?
Movie tickets. We're doing movie tickets today.
How you doing today? I'm here to give you a ticket, a movie ticket. Just as a thank you for everything y'all do. Absolutely. We really appreciate it.
I wasn't sure if it was a prank.
What's going on with our police department today?
How you doing today? I'm giving out tickets to cops. I'm about to write you a citation.
For what?
For protecting and serving. We got some movie tickets. Okay. So it's a movie ticket. You get it?
Yeah. Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I just want to thank y'all for everything you do.
Thank you.
Oh, yes, sir. Thank you.
Victory!
I don't have my blue lights yet, so it's hard to get you to pull over.
What can I help you with?
We've got reports of you doing like protecting and serving. Is that true?
That is true. That's what I try to do.
Oh my word. Well, we're gonna have to give you a ticket today because you know that's highly allowed. It's a movie ticket, but yeah, for sure. You have a good one.
Okay, man. Take it easy.
Hey, you as well. Can I get out this way?
Oh yeah. You got
Okay, cool. I don't know this area.
We did it!
What's up?
We've gotten reports of you doing some protecting and serving. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving out a ticket to you for that. It's actually a movie ticket. So it's a bad joke.
Appreciate it.
Oh yeah, no thank you. You have a good one.
Pay attention at the truck driver in front. As soon as he started to move at the intersection, he made a strange decision to stop in tracks, and he started to reverse. Unfortunately, the biker was in his blind spot and he got hit.
Whoa! No, God! No, God, please, no!
Fuck! I'm behind you on a motorcycle.
I didn't even see you.
You just knocked me down.
You right, dude?
What the?
Yeah, I was trying to get in. I couldn't make it. I was sticking out too much. Bro, I didn't even see you. You alright, man?
Yeah, let me go around you.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that, man.
Oh, fucker.
This biker spotted a random guy sitting in the middle of the road. It looked like he was totally wasted. The biker stopped next to him at the lights and asked if he was okay. Check out what happened afterwards.
Hey, you okay?
I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night.
You okay, bro? Yo, what's going on? Huh? I don't know. Bro, you gonna be alright? What's going on? You gonna be alright? You need help?
Hey, chill. Don't touch me. Hey, don't touch me. Okay, alright, I'm gonna go. Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. I'm gonna pop you. I'm gonna pop you. Hey, back off. Hey, back off.
NANI?
Back off. Bro, back off. Back off.
Round 1, fight.
Yeah, please take him, cause what the heck just happened? I don't know what he's on, but he's on some serious stuff.